Hello, everybody. I'm Walter Parker, here to tell you today about our new digital marketing toolbox. Now, if you are a business owner, doesn't matter if you're in real estate, if you're a mom and pop boutique shop, you could be in a salon owner or different sales. We have a digital marketing toolbox that'll help anyone that is a beginner or experienced person with digital marketing to be able to go from A to Z and accomplish many, many great things to grow your business, both online and in person, through the power of digital marketing. So I want to talk to you real quick about what you're getting, because this is easily a $10,000 all access program. The amount of hours and the amount of time, if you scoured YouTube just to get even a fraction of what you get into this, would take you months and months. But we have it all in one place. You can learn it at your own pace, and would love for you to just take a few quick moments here with me as we go through what you're getting in the digital marketing toolbox. Now, this is what your classroom is going to look like when you log in. You're going to see we have everything in different modules. So whether it be an introduction to digital marketing, let's open up and see what's actually in there, okay? You have, as far as a few things, helping you out with things like your mission statement, the vision, brand positioning, giving you examples, even as far as the notion of the Netflix brand position template. So just want to make sure that you actually see those things. That's just step one. Now let's get into the meat and potatoes of what you're actually getting, right? So let's talk about setting up system IO. For example, we'll help you as far as if you do not have a business set up. Say if you're in network marketing, what is going to be your niche? We have actually set up here as far as how to make a logo, building your domain, setting up your squeeze page, talking about your funnel, creating your Stripe account as far as if you're taking payments online, how to link to PayPal, and even how to make a mock-up of your business in Canva, and what are some great tools for you to use. That's just, again, these are the beginning courses and classes. So as we dive in a little deeper, we'll get into a little bit more advanced things like on email marketing, creating your email campaigns, email templates using ChatGPT, how to schedule your emails, so many different aspects as far as just with email. Get your emails read more. We're going to help you with a better open rate. Not to mention as far as a content strategy. Okay, now that I have these things set up, what do I put out there? We'll help you through that step by step. We'll even show you as far as 3 content buckets. You choose one: concise messaging, tonality, the do's and don'ts, income claims versus success content, the why, the what, and the how, 1-minute content tips, and then helping you plan your actual content. These are videos that'll walk you through step by step, but that's not all. We also have a great Facebook group that you're going to be able to have access to other entrepreneurs, be able to network, share, grow your business, utilize the resources from each other. Platforms to market on. We'll talk about the different social media outlets as far as how to make a TikTok video, how to SEO your content, how to use hashtag, ChatGPT prompts for TikTok, how to repurpose other platforms. And so many different aspects that you will definitely not want to miss out on. Also, just talk about branding and expansion, how to expand your brand out there, utilizing business tools, and of course, everyone's favorite, affiliate marketing. Again, this is just a brief overview of what you're going to be getting. Again, it's normally $10,000 for all of these resources. If you go out and buy these ones one at a time, we have it set up for the special low price. You just need to contact us. We do have some promo codes out there. So if you've heard us on a podcast or on another influencer's broadcast, make sure to use their promo code to get the discount, because it does retail for $999. But we do have some discounts out there. So again, I've been Walter Parker. Personally, I've been teaching digital marketing for well over a decade now, both in ministry and in real estate and in mortgages and to entrepreneurs worldwide. So I heavily endorse this course and look forward to seeing you on the inside in the digital marketing toolbox. Take care. Have a great one.